Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope all these students can listen to me. Okay, fine. Uh, Today we are going to revise chapter number 6. Chapter number 6 is basically about the small basic. This is the second last chapter that we studied. And we are going to see this chapter once again regarding MCQs and short questions. Okay, what kind of questions will be there from this chapter? The chapter is being started from page number 87. Okay. You know very well the environment of the small basic when you have got this software installed on your PC. You can see over here. Okay. Muazzam Tahir. Muazzam. Muazzam, this is your class time. Muazzam Tahir. Acha ji, so what we are going to do, we are actually going to see uh, the different things. Matlab, content we have already studied, we have written the programs as well. We had done some practicals of this chapter as well by writing the programs. But the important concern over here is that how the questions will come. Okay? So you know if you see the environment of the small basic, you will be able to see that this is basically the environment. When we open the small basic, you can see this type of window is basically opened in front of you. Okay, this is the window. Acha, now if you see over here, what are the different buttons available over here? New for new file, open in order to open an existing file, save and save as. I had told you the difference between these commands. Run, F5 is used to run the file when you are running a file. So these are basically the different shortcuts available at the top of the software when you open it. This is the text area, the coding area. Right now it is an untitled file. Untitled matlab we have not saved it. But if we have saved a file, so its name appears over there. For example, let me take an example of the coding. For example, this is a code. The code is there with the name of if else if dot sb is the small basic extension I had told you. इसमें हमने क्या किया? What we have done over here, we have written a program over it. You know कि there is always line number. ठीक है, line number is always written automatically. It comes, we don't write it automatically, it is coming in this margin, you can see over here. Achha, when we run, then we become able to run the program. So you may have the MCQs in this way. For example, in which color, for example, you can see in which color the comments appear in the small basic program. Comments appear in green color. Okay? Default colors are there. In which color the message is printed when you are interested to print the message, in which color it appears in the coding. It appears in the pink color or the red color like color is there. Okay. Similarly, if you see over here, the reserved word, if, else, if, then, okay, these are used in the blue color. Can you see over here? So the basic thing is that which of the command is used to run a file, F5. It may be asked in the fill in the blanks, F5 is the command which is used basically for this purpose. Are you getting this thing? Okay. Now, come to the chapter. In this chapter, we are going to revise basically what is meant by save as, what is meant by a programming language. We have studied in chapter number 1. A language is basically a program code that is used to write instructions in order to facilitate the users to solve any specific problems. Multiple programs, then when they work together, they make a software. Okay. What is the difference between save and save as? We had discussed about it. I'm going to ask you these things. Acha ji. Right now, what we are going to do, I am going to give you one assignment in your Google Classroom. क्योंकि मैंने आपको ये कहा था कि मैं I will also give you, basically this is not the assignment, this is a class test ना. ये एक क्लास टेस्ट लेना चाह रहा हूँ एक में, ताकि आपको आइडिया हो जाए. यू मस्ट हैव एन आइडिया how you are going to have how you are going to have your paper of the MCQs in your exam. Okay. So I am going to give you basically the idea about it. Open the Google Classroom in front of you, 6C, all of you. The class, please open the Google Classroom in front of you. I'm going to give you one MCQs test right now. How the MCQs will appear in your first term exams, you need to understand about it. You have to do it today. Okay? Today it is 17th, 16th. 16th. Okay. Time will also appear. For example, today I am giving you the time that is after 5 minutes. It is now 11:40, so I am giving you 11:45. 11:45 a.m. Okay, ji. When I will assign it to you, you will be able to see in your Google Classroom. Please open the Google Classroom and see over there, okay, have you got this assignment or not? Please go there and check in your class. Go there and check in your class. Yes, can you see this in your classroom? Please raise the hand and let me know. One student should tell me about it. One student should raise the hand and let me know. Okay, you can see this. When you will click on it, the paper will start. What you are going to do? What you will do? You will write your full name. Okay. You will write your full name. You will select your class. Which class is this? Okay. You will select your class. You will mention your class over here. Yes, Abdul Hadi.
Sample test.
Yeah, start it now.
Then I can see it in the screen, not in the classroom.
Sorry?
Then I can see it in the screen, not in the classroom.
Your question is not clear. If you don't find your class over here, select any class. I am just giving you the idea. Na? In your exam, you will be able to see your classroom mentioned over here. Okay. Right now, select, let's suppose P1C. Okay, let's suppose select this class and then start. Mention your name, full name. Okay. Yes, all the students can see this assignment in their class, Google Classroom. You will write your full name over here. You will select the class. You will read the questions, and then afterwards you will mark the right answer, whatever you consider it is right. You will mark the answer. You will do all the questions. Then you will click on the submit button. So I am just giving you right now 5 minutes over here to attempt this paper. 5 questions are there, easy questions. When you have done, you will raise the hand. When you have done, you are going to raise the hand. Yes, Abdul Hadi.
Sir, there's an option saying choose, and I click choose. It's saying choose section. I click it, and it's saying P1A, P1B, P1C. But not my.
You were not listening. I have already told you that your class is not right now over here. In your exam, you are going to see your class right now. Select P1C. Select this one. Okay. Since your class is right now not available over here, but in your first term exam, you are going to see your class. Okay. Okay, ji, those who have done, they should raise the hand.
I've done.
Okay, fine, fine. Yes, is there anyone who is still left? Why not done? Okay. So I can see over here. Yes, Subhan. Yes, what is your question, Subhan? Done? Acha ji. I hope all the students have now accomplished this task. I think all the students have accomplished this task. But if someone is there who has not done, he should done it. He should complete it quickly. Okay. So keep in mind that when you saw this assignment, one timing was also displayed over there. Time भी आपको show कर रहा था ये. It was showing you the time. What is the time? What was the time? Due time was 11:45. So in your exam, there will be time mentioned for your assignment. Ke what is the last time? Before that time, you have to submit your assignment. You have to submit your assignment before the time. Okay. But right now, what happened? कि some students have submitted late. यहाँ क्या लिखा हुआ है? Turned in late. Turned in late मतलब कि you have done, but it is after the time. So in exam, you need to be very much careful about this thing. कि you will take care of this thing. कि you should submit it within the due time. You should submit your work within the due time. You should not make it late. Are you getting this thing? You should not make it late. Okay, fine. So this is how you are going to have your MCQs exam. Yes, what is your question?
Sir, sir, will you not give us extra time?
What I am telling you, कि you need to take care about it in your exam. In your exam, you are going to have 35 minutes and 35 questions will be there. ठीक है? 10 true false will be there and 25 MCQs will be there. You have to do your work within the due time and you have to submit your work within the due time. Are you getting this point?
Sir, I'm asking the time is
Your
very
voice,
less.
there is a problem with your voice when you connect with the mic. Your voice is not clear. I am unable to listen to you.
Sir, I'm saying that the time is very less. Will I be able to do?
Yeah, of course you should do. Right now I gave you 5 questions and there were 5 minutes. ठीक है? 5 questions, 5 minutes. In exams, in first term exam, what will happen? You will have 35 questions and 35 minutes. बात समझ में आ रही है? In your exam, you will have 35 questions and 35 minutes. Right now, you had 5 minutes and 5 questions, but you made it late. You need to be very much fast. You need to do it fast. You need to read quick. Okay. You need to manage time. You have to learn these things. Go through all the chapters. Prepare yourself. Read the questions within the due time. Attempt the questions and submit. Have you got any question? Any other question? Any other student? Have you got any other question that you want to ask about this MCQs test? No question is there? Okay, good. Now, let me show you the marks and the marks will be, of course, Only 4 students have submitted. What about the one student who has not submitted? One student is still doing. Okay. I'm going to show the marks on your screen. You can see over here. And then we are going to discuss these questions. Only 2 students have done, as I have told you, Abdul Hadi and Subhan Ali. What about the rest of the students? What about the rest of the students? Why they have not done? Aden, Abdul Wahab, and Dawood, why you have not done it yet? Will you please tell me about it? Yes, Aden, what is your problem? Why you have not done it?
Sir, which assignment?
If you had any question, तो आपने पूछा क्यों नहीं? अब मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं तो आप कह रहे हो which assignment? What does it mean? अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आई, you should ask by raising the hand. आप कैसे करोगे एग्जाम में ये? आपके गूगल क्लासरूम में I have given one question over there in your Google Classroom. I have given this question in your class. You can see over here. You will click on this form. This is your class. You can see your class name over here, mentioned over here. इस फॉर्म पे क्लिक करोगे. इस फॉर्म पे क्लिक करके you will go to this form and you will attempt these questions.
Oh, okay, sir.
Do it right now.
Thank you, sir.
Abdul Wahab, unmute your mic. Yes. And Dawood, unmute your mic. Yes, Dawood, have you done this class test that I have given? This is the test that I have given you to just give an idea. To just give you an idea about this test. Okay? Yes, Dawood, unmute your mic and let me know why you have not done this. If you people are that much unaware of these things, how you are going to appear in your first term exam? Abdul Wahab.
Sir, all the streams, sir, all the quiz come in my stream, not in the classroom. Is that okay, sir?
मतलब?
Sir, all the quiz come in my stream, not in the classroom. Is that okay?
मतलब जाहिर सी बात है कि you have attended from here, na? From your classroom you did it, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why, that is the thing I am telling. You have
Okay,
submitted, you have submitted your answer. I have seen your answers, okay?
Yes, sir.
But my question is basically about those students who have not submitted yet. Just like Abdul Wahab, 6C and Dawood. That's why I am asking them what they are doing, why they are not opening their Google Classroom. If they don't know their Google Classroom code, they should see on your screen. Here is the Google Class code for them for 6C. Just attempt it. Go there, attempt this MCQ, and let me know कि you have done it. Yes, done. Okay. Acha ji, now we see that what are basically these questions. And one student, when I will ask, you are going to raise the hand. First question. Please raise the hand for the first question. Quickly raise the hand for the first question. Which of the following computer is not a microcomputer? This question is from chapter number 1. Which of the following computer is not a microcomputer? Yes, Adem. Yes, unmute. I have unmuted your mic. All of you are unmuted. Just unmute your mic and reply. Which of the following is not a microcomputer? Please raise the hand. We know that our cell phone is a microcomputer. Our laptop is now a microcomputer. ठीक है? Notebook computer कहते हैं हम laptop को. This is also laptop. Okay, notebook computer. So which one is not a microcomputer? Mini जो होता है, the mini computer is larger in size, where we can connect multiple terminals with it. This was the thing that we studied in the very first chapter. And when the school was functioning, we were doing this chapter. Just Sobanali.
So right click on tab.
Okay. Next question is that which of the following option is used to insert picture by searching through the internet in MS Publisher? Which of the following is used to insert picture through the searching in the publisher by searching through the internet in MS Publisher? कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर यूज होता है? कौन सा ऑप्शन यूज होता है इस सॉफ्टवेयर में, MS Publisher में, जब हमें पिक्चर सर्च करके पिक्चर को लगाना हो?
Online picture.
Yeah, online
picture.
Yeah, online picture option is there. Now come to the next question. Which of the following is a conditional statement in small basic? Small basic में हमने बहुत सी statements पढ़ी थी.
Sir, text window dot read.
Conditional statement कौन सी है इसमें?
Second plus one. Sir, text window
Dot read.
dot right line.
Text window dot write line. You know, if you go to this chapter, you will be able to see that you have to go through these chapters, because these all things I have already explained all of you. So when you will go through the chapter, you will be able to see that okay, what is written over there about this topic. Statements in small basic. किस page पर है ये? This is given on which page? Page 99. Statements in small basic. यहाँ क्या लिखा है? Conditional statements in small basic. और ये क्या लिखा हुआ है? What is mentioned over here? What is this mentioned over here? This is conditional statement. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? No one can tell about it?
If dash, then dash else.
Yeah. So it means that text window dot write line is basically a function. We had discussed about this thing. Text window dot read is a function to take input. Text window dot write line is a function to write or print message. Okay. So while giving your answer, you need to be very much careful about it. Okay, you are giving your answer correct or not. Don't become that much hurry. Don't make hurry. Okay, you are submitting in a great hurry and you are submitting wrong answers instead of the right answers. Okay. Now come to the next question. Next question is that the area around the page is where we can put different objects of our work. We can put different objects of our work for working. In MS Publisher is called scratch area. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Scratch area कहते हैं. क्या ये बात ठीक है? This thing is true or false? Abdul Wahab.
Sir, true.
I have asked
False.
Abdul Wahab.
True. True.
Abdul Wahab, have you submitted your answers for the MCQs?
Yes, sir.
Why you were so late when I was asking you? You were not replying by unmuting your mic.
Sir, the mic is not muting.
But I had unmuted you. Why did not you speak? Why did not you raise your hand to reply for the thing what the teacher is asking? Okay. This statement is true or false? This statement is true. You are saying that area is basically called scratch area. So this statement is true. Come to the next question. Assembly language is a high level language. This thing was there in your chapter number 1. This thing was there in the chapter number 1. Assembly language is high level language. This is true or false? Raise the hand and let me know. Daud, can you tell about it, Daud? Yes, Abdul Wahab. Assembly language is a high level language. This statement is true or false?
False.
False. Okay. So it means this statement is false because assembly language is basically a low level language. This is not a high level language. Okay. So you are going to mention it false. This is how you are going to have the MCQs paper and the true false paper in your first term exam. Keep in mind there will be 35 total. 25 MCQs and 10 true false will be there, and you will be provided 35 minutes for this task because 35-minute question paper is there. Have you got any question? Please ask me by raising the hand. Raise the hand and ask me if you have got any question. Anything which is not clear, please ask me. Now I have given you a clear idea, very clear idea about the work, that how you are going to have your MCQs paper in your exam, section 1 paper. So these are the 4 students who have submitted. Adan, Subhan Ali, Abdul Wahab and Abdul Hadi. Only Dawood is left. He has not submitted yet. Right now. Acha ji, what is your question? Have you got any question? If you have got any question, please ask me because our class time is now about to over. If you have got any question, please ask me. Yes, Abdul Hadi.
Sir, the objective at the end of the exercise, will you give the MCQs from that also?
Maybe possible.
Okay, sir.
Subhan Ali, you want to ask something, Subhan Ali? Subhan Ali, have you got any question?
पेपर के मार्क्स कितने होंगे?
60 marks will be there. I have already shared this thing in your Google Classroom. I think so. If not, let me know you. Let me tell you. 60 marks will be there for the paper. And 35 marks are there MCQs and true false. Fine. Rest of the marks will be there. 6 marks will be there for the fill in the blanks. 24 marks will be there for short question and answer. You have to do 8 questions. Out of 10, every short question will be for 3 marks. Short question किस तरह आएगा मैंने आपको बता दिया. I have already explained this thing ना. Short question कैसे पूछा जाएगा? How you will be assessed for the short question? You can see in the assignment number 3. ठीक है? This is the way you will be asked short question. You are going to submit it in the form of pictures by writing on paper. In the form of pictures, you are going to have your you are going to submit your answers. Just like this is the answer that Subhan has submitted over here. Okay, in this way. So the teacher is going to see this, and then the teacher is going to give you the marks accordingly. Asha ji, our class time is now over. Please go through all the chapters and prepare yourself for the upcoming first term exams. Thank you so much.